Hey, welcome to Dream Cars. Today we take an in-depth look at the 2026 Hyundai, an all-electric SUV that embodies futuristic design, cutting-edge technology and unparalleled comfort. As Hyundai's latest flagship in the Ioniq lineup, this SUV redefines electric mobility with its bold aesthetic, spacious interior and innovative features, making it a true game-changer in the F segment. Starting with the exterior, the 2026 Hyundai Ioniq9 commands attention with its striking ultra-modern design. The front fascia is dominated by a sleek for-when floodlight bar that gives the SUV a futuristic presence on the road. The pixelated LED headlights, a signature design element of the Ioniq series, add a high-tech aesthetic while ensuring optimal illumination. The sculpted hood flows seamlessly into the smooth body lines, optimizing aerodynamics for enhanced efficiency. The front bumper integrates additional LED lighting elements, adding a sense of depth and sophistication to the design. Honda has taken a minimalist approach, eliminating unnecessary elements to create a clean yet powerful look. Moving along to side profile, the Ioniq9 showcases a sleek and dynamic silhouette. The flush door handles it flush with the body, reducing drag while adding to the vehicle's modern appeal. The bold character lines emphasize its robust stance, making it both elegant and dynamic. The large alloy walls feature an intricate design that enhances airflow, improving efficiency while adding to the SUV's commanding presence. The black child pillars create a floating roof effect, further enhancing the futuristic design. Every aspect of the exterior is designed to maximize efficiency and style, ensuring that the Ioniq9 stands out as one of the most visually striking EVs in its class. Step inside and you're welcomed into a luxurious high-tech interior that blends comfort with innovation. The 2026 Hyundai Ioniq9's dashboard is a masterpiece of modern design, featuring a massive curved OLED display that integrates the digital instrument cluster and infotainment system into a single seamless panel. The ultra-wide display provides crystal clear visuals, offering intuitive access to navigation, media and vehicle settings. Honda has opted for a button-free approach, replacing traditional controls with touch-sensitive panels and haptic feedback buttons on the floating center console. This not only enhances the futuristic aesthetic but also ensures a more streamlined and immersive driving experience. Moving to the rear, the 2026 Hyundai Ioniq9 continues its futuristic design language with a stunning LED tail light strip that runs across the width of the vehicle, seamlessly connecting the pixelated tail lights. This distinctive lighting signature gives the SUV a bold and unmistakable identity, especially at night. The rear bomb pro features a sculpted design that enhances their own dynamics while maintaining a sporty and aggressive stance. An integrated roof spoiler adds a dynamic touch while improving efficiency. The hands-free power tailgate provides effortless access to the spacious cargo area, which offers ample storage for luggage, groceries or outdoor gear. Honda has also incorporated hidden storage compartments, maximizing space utilization and practicality. Beyond its aesthetics and technology, the Hyundai Ioniq9 is engineered for exceptional performance and efficiency. Built on Hyundai's dedicated electric global modular platform EGMP, the Ioniq9 offers a powerful dual-motor setup with all-wheel drive capabilities, delivering instant work and smooth acceleration. The long-range battery pack ensures an impressive driving range, making it ideal for both city commutes and long-distance travel. Hyundai's all-too-fast charging technology allows the Ioniq9 to charge from 10 to 80 in just minutes, minimizing downtime and maximizing convenience. Safety is at the car. The Ion's design with Hyundai, equipping it with an array of advanced driver assistance systems. Features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring and automatic emergency braking ensure that every drive is as safe as it is enjoyable. The latest autonomous driving technology further enhances convenience, allowing for semi-autonomous highway driving and advanced parking assistance. The Hyundai Ioniq9 represents the future of electric mobility, combining both design, high and luxury instead of the hour technology. Whether you're drawn to its striking exterior, its tech-laden interior or its impressive performance, this electric SUV is designed to exceed expectations in every way. Honda has truly pushed the boundaries with the Ioniq9, making it a top contender in the evolving EV market. The 2026 Hyundai Ioniq9 is a futuristic electric SUV that sets a new benchmark for the EV market. With a bold and modern design, the Ioniq9 combines cutting-edge technology with sustainable performance, offering long-range capabilities, fast charging and innovative features. It delivers an exceptional driving experience. Inside, you'll find a spacious, high-tech cabin with premium materials and advanced infotainment systems packed with the latest in safety and connectivity. The Ioniq9 is the perfect blend of luxury, performance and eco-conscious engineering. Stay tuned for more details on pricing, availability and additional features. Please like, sharing and subscribe to our channel Dream Cars for more amazing car content. Thank you for watching.